adventure and imagination, sliding down the rainbow rail. In the small sunlit village of Rainbow Meadow, every Sunday was an adventure for young Clara. As she gazed up at the kaleidoscope of colors that made up her sky, she could hardly contain her excitement. Today Clara was about to take the biggest step on her journey yet, a ride on the rainbow rail. Clara gathered her friends, and together they made their way to the towering silver rail. With a deep breath, Clara stepped onto the track and took hold of the handrail. Her heart pounded in her chest as she looked back at the village one last time before turning to face the endless rainbow. The train began to move, carrying Clara and her friends away from the village at a breathtaking speed. They soared over fields of rainbow flowers and danced with graceful clouds. The wind whipped through their hair as they giggled and screamed with delight. As the train carried Clara higher and higher into the sky, she soon found herself alone. Her friends had reached the end of their ride and waved goodbye as they drifted back towards Rainbow Meadow. Clara's heart swelled with determination as she neared a looming cloud castle. With a deep breath, Clara stepped off the train and landed on the clouds below. She approached the massive ornate door of the cloud castle, with the small rainbow key clutched tightly in her hand. With a twist and a push, she opened the door to reveal a world of wonder. Inside the castle, Clara found herself surrounded by colorful, fluffy clouds that danced and twirled around her. She met friendly cloud creatures, some small enough to fit in the palm of her hand, others as tall as trees. They guided Clara through the halls, revealing hidden treasures and secret passageways. From the castle's balcony, Clara gazed upon a breathtaking view of Rainbow Meadow and the surrounding lands. She marveled at the vibrant hues that painted the sky and the lush greenery that stretched as far as the eye could see. As the day wore on, Clara grew anxious to return home. She gathered her newfound friends and together they devised a plan to escape the castle. With a final farewell to the Cloud Kingdom, they embarked on their journey back to Rainbow Meadow. Clara's heart soared as she felt the wind rush past her once more. She gripped the handrail tightly as she slid back down the rainbow rail, her laughter echoing through the sky once again. As they neared the village, Clara's friends waved goodbye to their cloud companions. They landed gracefully on the soft grass below and were met with applause and cheers from the villagers who had been waiting for them. That night, Clara lay in bed and thought about all that she had seen and experienced during her adventure on the rainbow rail. She smiled to herself and closed her eyes, dreaming of future adventures yet to come. Clara's adventure on the rainbow rail was an unforgettable journey filled with laughter, friendship, and wonder. She learned that the sky is not just a canvas for beautiful colors, but a playground where dreams can come true.